VanHalen I, VanHalen II, how do you get that style of sound in the DigiTech GSP1101? First of all, what you want to do, I have this small screen here. When I find a good chord tone in the style of Super Lead or PLEX and Marshall, I'm using DigiTech's own brown sound here, and in the usual brown sound spirit, I'm cranking up mids, treble. I know Eddie cranked up the bass, but I'm not gonna do that. The sound gets too boomy to my taste. I'm also boosting the front end with a little bit of sparkle drive, and I know Eddie didn't use that one either. But what's the main thing here? You have the dry left channel side and all the wet time-based effects, plate reverb, and one repeat echo PLEX are on the right side. So how do you do that? Let's go over my preset here. Why I'm showing this interface panel instead of Xedit is because the Xedit does not show this for you. So in the reverb section, when you go to the bottom, you have the mixer. Left side is totally unaffected, right side is 100% wet, no dry signal there. So now only reverb on the right side. You do the same for delay. Have the left side wet level 0, right side wet level all the way up. That's pretty much it. Add some phaser to your taste. I don't even use the MXR phaser, but a DigiTech stock one, I guess, and you leave the speed very low, slow up. And that's pretty much it. Have fun. One more thing about the Echo PLEX. You choose Echo PLEX, relatively short delay, not too short, not too long, one repeat only. That's what you do. The reverb, you obviously choose plate, and I have it pretty bright, pretty high level, pretty long decay, so you can definitely know that there's that plate reverb stuff going on.